Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create a data table in an Excel. So let's get started. As you can see, I have few data available in my Excel which I want to convert into a table for my better data analysis purpose. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the entire data which is currently available in my Excel, and I come to the Home tab, and in Home tab you can see in Style section you have a option called Format as Table. So you click on that and you have multiple you have different options available here to convert it to the table. These are different styles. Okay, so for me, I'm going to select I'm going to select table style medium 20 blue color. So I click on that. Since I already have it header, as you can see here, order date, region, representative, item, units, unit cost, and total. Since I already have a header, I'm going to check this option here and click on OK. Now you can see my data set is ready as per my styling, or you can say as per my requirement. So what I'm going to do next is to change this data table style. So to do that, again select the entire data. I go to home, you do the same step, go to format, and if you hover over each style which is showing here as a drop down, it will automatically change in the background preview. I'll take you through that. You can you can see when I'm hovering over each style or each options, it is changing by default in the background. So if you want to change the style, if you don't like this style, you change it as per your requirement. So I'm going to select something here. So I'm going to select this. You can see my data set style completely changed as per the new selection. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and support for more videos. Thank you.